Hey, what is up, intelligent people? Today we're going to be talking about HCMC, Healthcare Choices Management Corporation, okay? Let me just turn it off, turn these moving averages off, okay? So, also we're going to be clicking a little bit about these lines later this video, but today we're going to be talking about HCMC, what are my thoughts on this on Monday and for the following week and so, okay? So make sure to stay tuned with that. But Philip Morris motion to dismiss granted, okay? It isn't over yet, though. We will see what will be happening with that. This does not look very good for HCMC, but there is still hope, okay? There is still hope, I absolutely believe so. We're gonna be like going more in depth. What the hell did HCMC do wrong? What the stockholders are doing it right now? How you can make money out of this situation and so on and so on. But yeah, so the HCMC, what they did wrong is that did they not provide that kind of a lot of facts and information on their court and on their lawsuit. They maybe did so, but what do they have to do now? They have to provide more information about them, more straight up facts. So you can just go watch the video from Jawsome Sauce, okay? This video was absolutely insane and it was so sad. So make sure to go check it out. But right now we're gonna be taking a look at the more broader picture on these things, okay? So let me first of all, let's just do the technical analysis here and then just keep on going, okay? First of all, we're gonna be turning this white lines into black because I recently just changed my theme color, okay? And on this channel, guys, we're just gonna be keeping it. Oh, another white line right here too, which we're gonna be turning black. Okay, and again, guys, on this channel we're gonna be just keeping positive vibes, like none of that bullshit and or that negativity. We're in this for the long run. And HCMC on Friday, as I said, closed at right around 0.0008, and we're actually down for the day like 6%. Okay, so this is too big of a case to not go forward, okay? This is why the judge did not dismiss the case at all. Instead, gave HCMC 14 days to provide a better angle of agreement, like regarding the combustion. I have been like a lot of people have been holding like HCMC for months, as well as me. And for just a clear example, I will keep holding, okay? And I look forward to HCMC's response. Okay, odds are very high that the case gets past this MTD, and I plan to hold for the next run that will ensue. Okay, and one person said that as someone who has hair under who has right around below 10 million shares, I still am not convinced it's over. Just like a video states, this was just because some legal jargon was wrong, more or less. Fights not over. The next 14 days will let us know if are back in this for the or if that 10 counts over, okay? If this is over or if it's not. And he says that being said, next week this stock will probably drop to 0.0001, and a lot of people will helpfully be able to buy a lot of shares. And he says, so me too, so I can throw 1k at it at 0.0001, and then when it comes back to 0.0000 or 0.0, oh my god, 0.008, so we can make a lot of money with that. We hope it tanks. But let's just this is just straight up talking, okay? This is just straight up talking. Why don't we just go into the charts and do something, okay? First of all, let's just go to the daily chart to the broader picture. And at this point, we did touch this line, because if you just go to the line chart, you can see that we opened right there, and we kind of yeah, a lot of wicks were going on right here. We opened right there. Also, we have a high probability chance that we're going to be touching the 0.0004. I don't think that we're going to be touching the 0.0001 though, but we will see what will be happening, okay? A lot of people will be sending off, they will think this is over, and so on and so on. I believe and I believe in the core, okay? I'm not leaving, and that's it. That's it. Okay. Also, Also, the guy on YouTube that was just some sauce, he's the man, okay, providing the straightforward he's providing the information at all costs, okay. The elephant in the room has always been the Philip Morris patent stating it didn't have combustion, okay. It had to be addressed by cousin. Not addressing it will have only like resulted in Philip Morris responding with it in their response and controlling the narrative. Whether cousin had expected it to hurt them more than it did is only known to their team and analysis. And okay, so what probably did surprise cousin to some extent is that they have to show their work on why the patent office is wrong at this point instead of waiting to do it during the trial. The judge used some precedents to justify it. I would have a hard time believing the cousin weighted the risk and just gambled in their response. At this point, the judge recognized this patent challenge as a strong claim that needs to have some evidence as to avoid wasting everyone's time. As Joss pointed out, the evidence is not needed to make a primarily ruling, which is key. The secondary effect to this is probably that the more interesting part for investors. Okay, cousin has to show their hands to some extent. This seems like it will expedite a settlement if the case were to move forward, since Philip Morris would be able to say are we in trouble or not, and how much trouble. Okay, while the patents review on the Hcmc patent would still need to be decided, the good news is that the judge does not see this as a need to hit pause on the case, which is good. A lot of people will be panicking right now, and this is a big error the lawyer should have caught in the beginning. Okay, is it worth throwing more good money at bad? Stick a fork in it, and I think Hcmc is done here, sadly. Okay, how fast does the stock go to zero now? My positions now is just to hold and wait on the next few years to see if anything good can happen with this stock. This is what one person said on Hcmc, but I believe that Hcmc is a great stock to own. I absolutely do. So we'll see what will be happening. And the one thing that I want to do right now is that at the start of the video I saw a death cross right here. Let's just move this down. On the 4-hour chart, I guess it was, yeah, as you can see, a death cross. This is a beautiful indication which tells us that the bearish market is about to get come at us. Okay, that did not sound great, but yeah, death cross right here. The 50 moving average and the 200 moving average just crossed their self out, and the market started pushing to the downside. Okay, I mean, if you just go to the 1-hour chart, yeah, this thing happened multiple times. That cross right here, golden cross right here, that cross right here, and from that cross, this started it all. It started pushing to the downside. It's on the 1-hour time frame, and the 15 moving average and the 200 moving average are pretty far away from right now. I think that maybe kind of a gold cross can happen somewhere around here, but we will see what will be happening with that. And this is basically for today, guys. Let me know what are your thoughts about Hcmc. I know you're gonna be flamed up right now. The earnings report is on 27th of July. You're really close to that, 2 days from now. Okay, so yeah, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day. Bye, and I love every single one of you.